Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've recently factory reset your iPhone or bought a second-hand device, you might be stuck on the iPhone Lock to Owner screen. This is the iCloud Activation Lock, a security feature designed to prevent unauthorized access. It can be incredibly frustrating if you don't have the login details, but there are reliable ways to deal with it. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the activation lock using two different methods. The first and most official method is to sign out using the original Apple ID and password. If you already know the credentials, you can simply enter them on the activation lock screen and continue setting up the device. If you've forgotten the password, you can recover it by visiting iforgot.apple.com on another device. Enter your Apple ID email, verify your identity using your linked phone number or recovery email, and create a new password. Once that's done, return to your iPhone and enter the updated details to proceed. If you bought the device from someone else, they can also remove the lock remotely. If you can't access the Apple ID or contact the previous owner, then try the second method, which is to use PassFab iPhone Unlock. After downloading and installing the software on your computer, open it and select the option to remove the iCloud activation lock. Connect your locked iPhone using a USB cable and start the process. The software will guide you through putting your device into DFU mode, which involves a specific sequence of button presses until the screen goes black. Once in DFU mode, the tool will begin modifying the device system, a process that usually takes a few minutes. When it's complete, your iPhone will restart and allow you to sign in with a new Apple ID. And that's it. Your iPhone should now be ready to use again without restrictions. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more helpful tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.